Our next dish is a very typical Spanish dish. It's very refreshing in summer. It's called gazpacho. It is a cold tomato soup. We will put about 2 pounds of ripe onions, 1 small cucumber, half a green bell pepper, quarter of an onion. Let me put all this in blender. Here we go. The original recipe calls also for 4.5 cups of breadcrumbs, which we will obviously omit because that would not be keto. So we leave it with vegetables only.
To this we add half a cup of good extra virgin olive oil.
In it goes. And 2 tablespoons of white wine vinegar. I will add a little bit of salt. You really want to taste it and rectify any spices right before serving. But I will add this now. And we will blend this until it is smooth. This is fairly smooth. We will pour this in a bowl. Oh, that was in a hurry to come out. Splattered my gazpacho all over. Anyways, the blooper of the day. We have covered this with plastic film, and this will also go in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours to chill. If it is too thick, later on we can put ice cubes in it. Very refreshing. Our gazpacho soup has been chilling for a couple of hours and is now ready to be tasted. The flavors are combining just nicely. I will add a little bit of salt because I like it that way. You have to put it to taste. Stir the salt in, and then we can serve it in a bowl. There. And what is typically done for garnish, we use a little more cucumber, a little of the bell pepper, a little bit of onion, and here we have a mint leaf. And there is our soup. This is a very refreshing summer meal. It's an awesome lunch. It is very easily and quickly prepared. You don't have to heat up your kitchen. It is very refreshing, and if you don't want, this is so good. As a soup, you can liquefy it a little more and pour it in a mug or a tall glass with some ice. And this is very nice to sip on while sitting by the pool or in the sun or in the shade. Mediterranean dish, very, very famous in Spain. Of course, Spaniards will tell me that I just butchered the gazpacho, but this is the keto version.